This is Victor with MarineMax Sailandski. Come with me on this walkthrough.
Today we're aboard our Dargel 25 Cat. This is one of the finest in shallow water running boats. It is equipped with our Mercury Pro SX 300, our Power Pole Pro Series 2, and an Atlas jack plate, which allows you to run a lot more shallow than any other competitor. This boat is equipped with 3 live well, 1 in the rear and 2 in the front. It is equipped with our Garmin 9-inch. It is also equipped with our Fusion radio and lots of other accessories. It has an upgraded leading post, and we were able to have it coated in bed liner texture. This boat is wonderful for any day offshore or in the bay. It has your cooler rack down here, your footsteps below, splattered texture for great grip. As we make our way forward on this boat, tons of room down here in one of our live wells, 2 aerators. Second live well up here will be in the upper seating section of the helm. So you have dry stack storage back here behind the backrest of the console. Plenty of casting room up front, with plenty of storage also. This boat is 8 feet 6 inches width, so plenty of casting room from left to right.
Thanks for coming on this walkthrough with me. If you like this boat or any other boat in our inventory, please feel free to give me a call or stop by one of our stores, Austin, San Antonio, or Lakeway.